Samsung has finally revealed something truly special, the Galaxy Z TriFold. After years of leaks and rumors, we finally have our first official look at Samsung's tri-folding smartphone. The company showcased it just before the APEC 2025 summit in South Korea, marking a huge step forward in mobile innovation and showing how far Samsung's foldable journey has come. At the K-Tech Showcase event held at the Jiangsu Expo Park Airdome, Samsung displayed the Galaxy Z TriFold for the first time. The phone was placed safely under a glass cover, so no one could touch it, but it gave everyone a clear view of this groundbreaking device. According to photos taken at the event, the Galaxy Z TriFold can go from a 6.5-inch compact phone to a large 10-inch tablet. It has two hinges that allow it to fold and unfold smoothly, giving users more flexibility than ever before. Tipster at Universes also posted a photo confirming the phone's sleek and futuristic dual-hinge design. Samsung said that this new trifold phone is the result of years of research and development. The company explained that it's working to create new types of devices for the mobile AI era, focusing on experiences that really matter to users. The Galaxy Z TriFold is the latest example of that effort. Samsung also confirmed that it plans to officially release the device later this year. Reports say the big announcement could happen within the week, with sales starting next month in countries like South Korea and China, before expanding to other markets later. But this isn't just another foldable phone launch. It's also a bold message to Apple and the entire tech industry. While Apple continues to rely on its strong ecosystem and slow approach to hardware changes, Samsung is proving once again that it leads the way when it comes to innovation. Apple has built an incredibly loyal fan base and a powerful ecosystem that connects its devices and services. But this success has also made the company cautious. It usually waits for a technology to become mainstream before adopting it. That's why there's still no foldable iPhone, even though Samsung has already released 7 generations of foldables. Meanwhile, Samsung keeps taking risks, and they're paying off. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 was a big success and even caught the attention of some iPhone users who had been waiting for Apple to make a foldable device. Many ended up switching to Samsung after seeing how advanced its foldable technology had become. Now, with the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung is moving into an entirely new phase. This device isn't just another product, it's a statement. It shows the world that Samsung is not afraid to try new things, even when others hold back. The trifold design proves that Samsung isn't just following trends, it's setting them. This launch also shows how Samsung has become a master in many areas of technology. Earlier this year, it introduced the slim phone trend with the Galaxy S25 Edge, launched the world's thinnest foldable phone, and even revealed smart glasses and extended reality headsets. Now, with the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung is once again pushing the limits of what's possible. It's clear that Samsung's goal is to shape the future of personal technology. Whether it's smartphones, wearables, or XR devices, Samsung wants to lead, not follow. The TriFold strengthens Samsung's position as a true hardware innovator that isn't afraid to take the first step. A device like this could also completely change how people use their phones. Imagine a smartphone that unfolds into a tablet. You get the portability of a phone and the power of a large screen in one device. It could change how people work, watch movies, and multitask wherever they are. By creating the first trifold phone, Samsung isn't just launching something new, it's setting a new standard for the industry. This shows that the company's focus on innovation continues to drive real progress and excitement in the smartphone world. As we get closer to the official unveiling, excitement is building fast. All eyes are on Samsung to see how it introduces the Galaxy Z TriFold to the public. If the leaks and previews are any hint, this could be one of the most important smartphone launches in years, one that redefines what a phone can be. Samsung is once again showing that it's the company turning futuristic ideas into reality. The Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap into the future of mobile technology, a future that folds not once, but twice.